In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Star Sleep discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Star Sleep discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retailminot.com. And as you can see, we have some promo codes available right now that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this promotion with 30% discount of select wines, all you need to do is select show code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get this 30% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called withrate.com. And as you can see, we also have right here some promo codes that we can use for some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 25% discount, all you have to do is select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here. And if you apply this promo code on your next purchase, you will be able to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.